up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 108 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds by our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building one of these. So what have we got in kit number 108, I hear you ask? We have got the rear body valance, rear reversing lights and lenses and the screws to put them in place, folks, okay? So we're going to be fitting the lenses first into the lens holders, which are just there. They then screw into the back of the valance like so. You then attach that with 4 screws, DS11s, onto the rear of the body shell, folks, okay? And this is what we're going to look like at the end there. So the stripe continues down over the roof and the boot straight down the back into the valance, folks, okay? Just starts neatening up the rear end there, folks, okay? So what we'll do, we'll bring Eleanor in. We'll swap our camera angle so that you can see what I'm doing at the back of the car there. And we'll start fitting this all together, folks, okay? First things first, let's pop these in. These are going in with a couple of PS05 screws. So we'll do them. And then we'll switch our camera around, folks, okay? So let's pop 2 of those out. Bung that in the bag of screwness over there. And we're popping the lenses in first, so let's bring them in. Just a simple press fit these. Just go in that hole in the back there. Just dresses off those little lights. Like so. Making sure they're fully homed. We'll then grab a screw with some oil. Just like that. And then we'll grab the first light lens. Just make sure we got it the right way round, like so. And then we'll screw that in. Don't over tighten them because you are going into plastic. And you don't want to strip the plastic out because otherwise you'll have to resort to the super glue, folks. You don't want to be doing that. Not at this stage. Just swap that round like so. Drops that straight in there. And then that goes straight in the back like that. So that's that now ready. So we'll pop the screws open on this. And then we'll bring Eleanor in. So we want 2 4 screws. So I'll grab them like so. Pop the spare over there. We'll sort them out later on. And we'll pop one on the screwdriver straight away. And we'll drop a bit of oil on her. Just like that. Alright, let's grab the first screw. And fit that in there. Not going fully tight. I just want to start getting these in situ. A little bit of a different angle, but I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing. But a bit easier. So let's just squeeze her rump, just like so. And mine's got a slight warp in my panel, as you can see. But I'm hoping once the screws go in, we can take that warp out. That's why I'm working myself left to right across the panel rather than from end to end and then having a Robin Hood longbow. I'm just trying to take the warp out as I work my way across. like that. And then that leaves us one more screw. That goes in the end, just like so. And by doing it that way, that's helped me take the warp out of that rear valance like that. Perfect. And that gives us a rather sexy looking rear valance, doesn't it? Look at that. Wow, isn't it? So I'll just take that down like that. As you can see that now looking rather splendid. So that's what we've got there. Okay, so we'll leave that there. Don't forget, if you want to grab this and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these beautiful Eleanors. Also, to help me out, if you can just click little festa, bink, over in the corner there, and hit the subscribe button. I'll be immensely grateful. Helps the channel grow, keeps it alive. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all, and then you'll get notified of upcoming and future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.